on your That's what I thought you said in the video.
I'm so glad to be back.
Yep, you do miss all the good old times. What are you trying to do? Make out with me? Gay person. No offence, but that is actually gay.
Spottingmix has left the Roblox Night team.
It finally got reflected and spread it over your head. And you feel like, no.
I never, ever, ever.
Gotta get back with him.
I never, ever, ever.
Gotta get back with him. I can't let Irish Operator take over my gay life. Because you know what he did, right? He called me gay.
Yeah.
Well, luckily, I saved you along with 254 and Crazy Droid. Please try and ignore Crazy because he's wanting attention and he's nothing but a lifeless sado. So, 254, I've asked you, now please stop.
Crazy droid. I've actually got 254 and Crazy on the call.
Oh, bet you do.
On the core.
Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello.
Hello, peeps. There's a random Manchester Express, so long.
I've been hitting puberty since the last time you saw me.
Yep. Yeah, I'm definitely hitting puberty. How about?
Yeah, Adam, how about we make a Discord call?
I'm using my iPhone. I don't have Discord on my iPad. Sorry.
Sorry, oh, I'm sorry, don't hurt me, sorry.
Irish Operator? No, more like Irish Pick You Noser.
Irish Operator. I have screenshots from that chat.
Oh.
God, shut up! God, shut up! Got Irish dancing on my head.
Yes, he's childish.
He's more than childish. Platform 1 from the 2020 commuter service to Belfast. God, shut up!